Welcome to another video. Oh, Dream. Yeah. Let me go put a video real quick because I need to video. All right, we are ready. All right. Okay. Let's go with the weekly. Weekly time frame, or go from weekly IRL to EURL. EURL. It's here to the downside. Daily. We're going from daily. Sferaga got disrespected again, so daily we're going from daily IRL to IRL. Daily, we don't even know. But we do have a daily CRT here, though. Friday is our range. Friday's our range. This is all right over here. Daily. What else do we have? What else do we have? On the daytime for market, support the market move from external to internal to get back to the one that created it. Other things we have from time frame. This could be a classic expansion week or a midweek reversal. This could definitely be a classic expansion week. So let's say classic expansion profile. I don't know until today ends. Okay, so we did have a confirmation here. Okay, so we did have an entry here right over here. We did have a entry for that model one. So we don't have that much of a weekly narrative except this week. We don't have much of a daily context except this daily CRT. To the downside, this CRT already got purged, but this is our next CRT right over here. They were playing inside right now, inside bar right over here. Just pulled it and purged it out. This one was bad timing with the purge. But what else do we have here? Daily we don't have much, but weekly we just go based on the weekly and the daily right now. Weekly IRL to ERL, weekly CRT to the downside, daily CRT to the downside as well. Now for this daily CRT to the downside, do we have any level for this daily CRT? Probably measure it out, market close below scan. So this auto block does have a level. Let's get my boy Geese Web. Okay, so daily we got a daily key level for this auto block for the CRT. So the downside of the CRT is now validated because we have a daily auto block. Okay. So our narrative in a high time frame is weekly IRL to ERL, weekly CRT to the downside, daily CRT to the downside, daily IRL to ERL. We might have a classic expansion week. I don't know until this day ends. We have a daily CRT here as well. December price action is shit. I mean, sometimes, man. I mean, that's like a excuse to not trade, brother. You know what I'm saying? Yesterday was just a what do you call it? Yesterday was a day before a high impact news, so yesterday should have been a bad price action, bro. If you go check my YouTube channel, yesterday should have definitely been a bad price action. Our drone liquidity, everything was correct yesterday. You could see it was correct, right, Mark? Our drone liquidity was at its hourly low. Where was it? Where was it? Our drone liquidity is down here, right? To this, was it? I don't know if this was low, but it was somewhere around this low, right? Electronica sound here. Electronica did get met, but it's just that yesterday was meant to be used for gathering liquidity and meant to be trapping traders, right? So we should have not traded yesterday. So now next time when there's a major news, I'm not going to be trading the major. I'm not going to be trading the day before the major news because of you know the gathering liquidity and trapping traders and doing a false breakouts left and right and bad practice. I know you took sales as well. Yeah, man. It's just hey man, we can't let that stop us from the long term, man. That trade right over there should have been an opportunity for you to improve, right? Opportunities. Market gave you opportunity that day, and Market gave us the opportunity yesterday to learn, right? So Market gave us opportunity to improve yesterday, and so did we improve, right? Now we improve to not trade the day before a major high impact news because market will possibly have really bad price action and market is gonna just trap traders, which he did. Yo, see that push down? I thought this right over here, right after his breakout, I was gonna say this should be hitting TP easily, right? Right after this breakout, I thought the market gonna hit TP easily, but you could see it close above it. I was like, yeah, this is definitely gonna hit sell stop. Because market, when the market does this, market does a full reversal. Eventually, another reversal from here back to the downside, tapping a hourly order block right over here. Actually, the market already tapped the hourly order block, but yeah, shit like that. Well, you're gonna be straight. You have to stay present, and you have to be. Where is it right now, man? Fuck yesterday. Yesterday was a history, man. So now get back to what I was talking about. 17-minute time frame to 2-minute trade here. Okay, so we have our time for narrative already. So our higher time for narrative was weekly IRT or weekly daily CRT to the downside. We have a weekly IRT or a weekly CRT to the downside and everything. See that CRT has a key level as well. Daily CRT to the downside, daily key level CRT. I'll go to the 4 hour time frame for the weekly profile. I don't know when till the day ends, right? Because today's a FOMC conference. So the day we should be trading the day that there's a FOMC or any major high news because that's the day where it gets injected to the market and higher move happens. But let's see what else here we got in a 4 hour time frame because 4 hour time frame is more now important as well. So We're in a specific range here. We're still in this specific range. We're still in this range right over here. Range high, range low. So what are any other range here? Low, high. This is not specific. So this range we don't really care. There's not even a range here. So this is not the range. This right over here is the range, and this right over here. That's range high. Actually, in this specific range, we're not even in those range. We keep on scrolling back, like, oh, we're in this range. Oh, yeah, so we're in this specific range right now. So our range high got soup. So our next round of kids come to range low. Not yet. So yeah, not the range. Our next already here. We're in this specific range. You can see bullish and it's a swing low. Bullish very swing high right over here. Market took out the high of the range. And the next one, we're playing in this specific range. Right? Once the market took out the range high, we want to be selling and buy on below the range. Low. The range low has not been bought yet, so still chilling here. We have a do have a it's called do have a pre discounted review. See discounted review. What else do we see here? What else do we see? So on the 4 hour time frame, what else do we have? We have already have our range. Hmm. We need to mark out the any other bigger candle here. We're in this specific range still. You can see we're still in this specific range. You can see this right over here. This 5 a.m. still. We're still in this 5 a.m. range. So our drone indicator will overall still be here, but we would be 8 or 8, 5 a.m. candle to get into the market. So today I'll be extending my take profit to this range low right over here. This range, but my main take profit should right here to offer at 2 RR. If this doesn't offer at 2 RR, I won't be taking it. But this right over here, go to my main goal right over here. This market did took it out, and we're sat in this bigger range. See there's another more ranges right over here with this big range right over here. Market took out the high, but never took out the low. So we're still in this specific range right over here. And market tapped the key level right over here multiple times. So we're still in this specific range from yesterday. Okay, so do we have a key level here? It's key level, key. No, there's no. The bullish bearish candle over here. Oh, okay, so do I have a key level right over here? See it over here. These consecutive candles help to press out this, this range high. But basically purged, right? Close below. Once it close below, you can see it closed below a full candle, full range, big candle. Basically, the next candle just closed below the body of it, right? See the last candle close with the body of it, so we use the body as our key level. That's our kilo for the 4 hour time frame. Might not even getting a 4 hour, might get an hourly time frame. Other key level we might have be possibly this rejection block. This right up here might be our second narrative. This right up here could be our second, whatever this is called, our second key level. This right up here could be our second key level right over here. All of these ranges already hit take profit, so we don't really care about this. This is our overall goal for the whole daily. So I'm not gonna be holding it all the way down here, but this right over here is our daily goal. But once I do get near around right over here, I might look for ourselves to try straight to this daily range low. But we don't know yet, so I'm not gonna. We have 2 key levels on the 4-hour time frame. This is a rejection block, and how this rejection block candle at the 50% mark over there. We have a 4-hour key level and a resistance block right here. Well, what else do we have in a 4-hour time frame? Pretty much this is it. But one thing we gotta look at, we got our daily range. This is right over here, premium. This is discount. We have our range high. Range high got souped and next strong location low. Why do we call this as a Pacific range and not this? Because this range is smaller than this range, right? And eventually, the reason we picked over here, these ranges, which is down here, because we are what are we doing? Because the market was turning to the downside, right? So that was a Pacific range. For VGAP is for VGAP holds the price. Oh yeah, this right over here. Yeah, I see this. Eventually for VGAP should definitely get respected. I mean, the reason is for VGAP was holding the price so much, right? Cause see, premium discount, bro. In discount area, every time, right when you made the legitimate high here, this fair value gap is always going to get respected because look, right when the market made the stable high, right below the 50% mark is fair value gap, right? Right when we made this other one, 50% mark, right below it, fair value gap, right? So every time market went below the fair value gap, rejection, right? Right when the market made another one, every time. Now you can see when it went below it, tap the 50% mark, tap the below the 50% market, tap this compressed area, and tap the fair value gap reaction. Right? But eventually, all of our trades were in all our trades were in premium, right? So our first trade was right over here, premium sells, right? So you can see our sell area was so being respected, but this right over here, fair value gap looks to be way more profitable. But yesterday was a I'm saying a bad day to trade, so less probability of a day. So less probability of a good day to be like it's gonna be a less. What I mean by less probability of a day, bad practitioner. You might get false breakouts, you might get stop loss right easier. So that's the days you want to be, you want to be not trading, right? I want to be selling in premium as well. So let's see. Another thing I have in my 4-hour time frame is we have a daily profile, right? So market 17 o'clock is the TRT. Our 29 p.m. candle is our manipulation candle, didn't deliver. So our 1 a.m. candle made the half day. So we have a normal position profile, and I'm looking for New York to continue. You can see how the 1 a.m. candle, the 5 a.m. candle went below the 1 a.m. candle. Now making the low of the day. So this could not be the low. This cannot be the low of the day. We're looking for sales here. Why are we looking for sales one more time? Because we're in a low position profile, and normal position profile, New York should be continuation. If this was not the if I was bearish, right, and market made the low of the day on the 1 a.m. candle, I'll be looking for a after the I kind of confused. I'll be looking for a New York reverse. So looking for the market to go back up here. New York reverse this position, eventually go right back down, right? So I'm looking for a New York. I'm looking for a New York continuation. And why is the reason I'm looking for that New York continuation? Because our 5 p.m. was a CRT. 9 p.m. did not deliver, but 1 a.m. candle. At 5 p.m. was a CRT. At 1 a.m. was the middle placement candle and the expansion as well. But we have a no-trade profile because our 1 a.m. made the high today. This right here is the 1 a.m. candle, made the high today. So we're looking for a near continuation. This cannot end at the end of the whole range, right? So we're looking for a near to continue to move to the downside for the drone loop period, which is down over here. See, we're in this specific range, down over here and down over here. So yeah, what other thing we're gonna be focusing on is so our daily for our New York for our daily profile, we have a normal session profile, and we have a New York continuation. So normal session profile is for the London session. London session we had a normal session profile. London making the high today. For New York, we have a New York continuation because if we're bearish, we want New York to continue to move to the downside. If we're bullish, we want New York to reverse trade position. So if there's in New York, there's no other profile except a New York continuation or a New York reversal, right? There's no other profile. There's no other high probability of a profile. So these are the only two options we have, right? So I'm looking for New York continuation because I'm bearish and not necessarily made the low of the day, right? I mean high of the day, I mean, and so it should be. So let's go to the one hour time frame and look for our hourly time frame entry here because we're gonna as well have this because market sometimes may not go all the way over here, retrace to this 5 p.m. It could definitely, but sometimes it might not, right? So we're gonna mark out the hourly as well, which is the 8 a.m. candle. Is there any other bigger candle than 8 a.m.? It's kind of low up pressure. We're not gonna count that as our CRT. This 8 a.m. candles are only CRT here. So that right over there. But if I do get I want to see a candle closure below this. It would be fine candle closure. And that's it, right? So now let's go to our time frame. Look for our hourly key level. What is our hourly key level here? This order block right over here filled. Nobody didn't get it. You didn't get a candle closure. So we will disregard this as an order block. Our key level is primarily this rejection block. See a bullish bearish rejection block. Market dead tab at 3% market of it. Or this fair value got right over here. Right, which is inside this zone. So just put the rejection block as a raw line. And our entry on this should be okay. So our entry should be on a discount premium area because you can see our TRT high is on the premium section of this whole dealing range. So that should be a fine entry to the downside. The last thing I'm forgetting is the market profiling. Let's do our market profile right now. Market opened, range a little bit, expansion, retracement, another expansion, another retracement, eventually the retracement into a accumulation, eventually market did a manipulation, expansion, retracement, expansion, eventually market tapping a key level on the 4-hour time frame, which is the 8 a.m., 1 a.m. candle. Yep, 4-hour key level. Market the USD. Once the market once the market once the market went over here, market did reversal. Damn, that entry would have not catch that entry. So market did reversal. The reversal right over here, market did another accumulation. So wait, the market have a key level there? Yeah, it definitely have a key level. Okay, market have a key level. No, it did not. I mean, some sort of did it because he tapped a rejection block, which is a key level as well, right? So market did a reversal, retracement under the expansion, tapping another key level, which is a rejection block. Eventually, once tapping it, market did a reversal, retracement back into this hourly rejection block, another expansion, another retracement, another expansion, going lower now. Now, what we could do is look for a retracement all over here. The retracement could be all the way from here to all the way to this, but it cannot go above this. I don't think. I mean, it should. I mean, you could definitely go above that. So our retracement profile could be from like to here and here, right? If once it breaks above this, our whole body is invalidated because we're bearish in this case, right? So this high should be holding. This high should never be breaking, right? Because you can see when they made the high today, right? So we're looking for New York to be traded over here for market profile and dimensional expansion. You could as well say a because you tap a kilo, right? You could say it could be like okay, reversal, market over here, tap a reversal. We could go up, we could do reversal retracement expansion, tapping another kilo, which is hourly, fair value, resistance block, hourly CRT high. Possibly tap this 4 hour kilo right up here, could possibly support the 4 hour high for 30 as well, right? And eventually look for another reversal here because it's tapping a higher time kilo as well. We have a daily of a kilo, which is an auto block, which is higher probability auto block, right? Higher probability is in a deep the high probability auto block, right? Is in a deep discounted area. So you can see discount the premium, I mean deep premium area, you can see is a deep premium area. So that should definitely get a reflection out of. But you could look for a reversal, retracement expansion, the downside. My main focus right now is just for a time frame, just a 15-minute time. Okay. Don't respect that. Okay. Today we might have a loss, but it's all based on our probabilities, and our goal should be to maintain discipline, to preserve capital. So today I'm risking $125 instead of risking 500. Okay, so today should be a tricky day because today's a news, which is at 2:30. It's a long time. Today should be a fine day to trade because yesterday should be meant to be for the day. Today is algorithmic. All the algorithm is already right back. Not all the algorithm, but the thing is right back to normal because this is the day of the news, right? I'll be right back. I'm gonna have to go to the bathroom. I have to use the bathroom real quick. I'll be back in like 10 minutes. I'm not gonna lie. Uh, 10 minutes? Yeah, I'm back. I don't know how long was it, but it was like somewhere around 10 minutes. No, it was like 5 minutes. I didn't even do nothing. What the fuck? Chat. Marco just stop when you're gone. Not the market maker. usually this from like one from not like from eight. No, what's it from eight? From 8 till 10, market's gonna be slow. I'm not gonna lie. Market should be moving because you have to decide where you want to go. You know what I'm saying? So you might just consider it eventually making a false breakout, eventually doing an actual expansion move. Because news, FOMC could go anywhere, right? FOMC could go the upside and downside, but market eventually, all FOMC does is just inject volatility to the market, right? So that volume, it doesn't matter where the market goes. Market's gonna go where it's supposed to be going, right? So that volume, if it goes, let's just say news comes up, it goes all the spikes all over here, right? Eventually, news is gonna go wherever it has to go, right? So the journal is upside, the market's gonna go to the upside, right? To me, the journal is downside. So even if news comes up, she's going to pump up the market, right? So market is gonna have faster movement. So market that news really matter that much. The news doesn't matter. What matters is the volume afterward, right? Afterward or during it, right? The volume of the news is what matters. Because beforehand of the whole thing, the volume and shit, they're whack, they're slow, right? So the news, even news it spikes up the opposite direction of the algorithm where it's supposed to be going, market's still gonna go where it's supposed to be going, right? Because volume is in the market now. There's more money in the market to be moving the market. You know what I'm saying? Because it's because institutional traders don't trade right now. They don't trade until the news comes out, bro. They don't even trade the days beforehand, like the days. Not the day, the days beforehand. Damn. I mean, they have way more capital. They have millions of dollars to play around with. You know what I mean? Short on gold. It's moved good. Hey, just find out, man. Just make sure you do journaling, man. Make sure whatever you're doing, make sure you're doing it with a journal, man. If it goes on a loss, it goes on a win. Find out why you went to the loss, once you went to the win. You know what I mean? But Geese Weep, I suggest you don't trade too many pairs, man. It's gonna be distraction because you want to be a specialist, right? Because a journalist. So let's just say a journalist knows stuff. Let's just say you know stuff, right? Let's just say you're a journalist, right? So like you don't know the difference between each other, right? A journalist, you might know stuff about the other pairs, but you don't know the ins and out of the pair, right? So a specialist knows the ins and out of the whole pair. So whatever you're trading, right? You know, trade one pair. You want to become a specialist because this is forex. This is forex in gold, right? Gold, forex, and crypto. You could trade multiple pairs, but in forex and and these other pairs like this, which is gold, EU, GU, you want to be trading only one pair, right? Because it's not crypto. Crypto is a whole different thing. Crypto, there's some of them might pump, some of them might not, right? That's when we do that sometimes, but I suggest you just stick to one pair, brother. Whatever you're gonna do, if you're gonna do gold, stick to gold. You know what I'm saying? A specialist always beats a journalist. Journalist knows about it, but it's not a master at it, right? Specialist is a master at it. Shut your. I hate these ads, bro. Griffin. What's good, truck driving gamer? What's good, brother? How am I doing, man? I'm doing great, man. Bless. How about you, brother? Sir, you do fantastic. That's good. That's good, man. Always be healthy, man. Always be healthy and positive, man. What is this? Oh, it's a game. Oh, it's a sticker. Just waiting. I am just waiting. My typical hey, I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, Ski. That's what I'm talking about, man. Hey, make sure you journal that trade though. Make sure you journal it. You through that news or today? Yes, sir, bro. Yes, sir. It's at 2:30. It's FOMC press conference. I hate this. I hate this the way this market's doing right now. Look at the market right now, man. It's crazy. Oh my goodness. You'll be in, right? I mean, if I get a setup, I will. If I don't, then probably not. Uh, Tahir Mustafa. I said you said I almost blew up my whole account today after I missed my first trade at 7 a.m. setup. Bro, don't FOMO, bro. Don't FOMO. Don't FOMO. FOMO is the worst thing you could do in trading, man. If your setup is gone, bro, just wait till next time, bro. You never, because in trading is a whole different thing, right? If you try to catch it, you like, how can I say this? It's all about psychology, man. You know. But yeah, all I gotta say, man, don't saying don't FOMO in. Clear 2024 setup 1 hour. Yeah, I mean I see the setup as well right over here today. I mean I see my own setup as well on the hourly time frame. This right over here is my hourly setup. It's my high time frame setup, but I don't take it because I don't hold my trades more than a day because I can't do that. My emotions are not that as well. Oh shit. I could hold it for like a week, but more than a week, I don't fuck with it, man. Consolidation, yeah, bro. I mean, it's a news week, so it should be consolidating because today is FOMC press conference. So yesterday and the day beforehand should definitely be used for a worse price action, and not real actual moves should be happening. Yesterday, especially, like, I got stop loss, but hey, I'm happy, man. I'm happy with the trade. I'm satisfied, and I improved on the trade. The reason that what I improved on was not trading the day before a major news, right? But my boy thought here, brother, be real careful, man. Because FOMO is a big problem, man. FOMO is the one that could ruin your whole trading career. You could literally blow up a whole whole account in the day just because of a FOMO problem. You know what I mean? Be patient, be confident, be fearless, be emotional, not be greedy. These are going to be at what time? At 2:30 p.m. EST time zone. But I'm waiting for this market to hit this key level right over here before I look for shorts here. If I don't get a setup during 10:30, I'm out because I mean if the market doesn't purge any liquidity, if it doesn't purge any liquidity, just consider it in this range. I'm not looking for no setups. I'm gonna be just calling it a day off. What time in US? 2:30 p.m. 2:30 p.m. But my boy Tahir Mustafa, when he said clear 1 hour setup, I mean 7 a.m. I mean that's a huge clear setup is it's crazy. I mean 7 a.m. kind of right over here. That same key level I am waiting for, but FOMA take me away. Oh shoot! Which key level, brother? This key level, this key level rejection block. What we talking about, brother? Or this higher time frame rejection block, or this higher time frame, auto block. You're not in a trade? Nope, not right now, man. Just waiting. I'm waiting for this CRT high to get purged. Eventually, I'm looking for sales, but because if I sell right now, right here, I mean, there's no entry for me to take. Especially, you can see the premium area is over here, the discount area is over here, right? So if I sell right over here right now, it's kind of stupid for me to sell. So I'm just waiting for my actual sell to form here. If I don't get it, no trades. If I do get it, okay. That same key level I am waiting for, but FOMO take me away. Yeah, man, don't FOMO, man. Psychology is really important in trading, brother. Psychology is like literally 95% of trading in psychology. 5% of trading is just you clicking buttons, bro. When you're charting, this right over here, you might say, okay, this is not psychology. This is psychology, right? Because I'm using my brain to mark out this specific key level, this key level, right? This CRT high, CRT low, right? This CRT high, CRT low. I'm using my brain to mark out everything. So psychology is basically 100% of whole trading, right? You have liquidity at that 1 hour resistance block. Oh shoot, okay. Okay, I see it. Already took MD timing. Already took a sell in London session after 1 hour MMSS. Oh yeah, I see that as well, bro. The London session recently has been cooking though. This I see right over here. This is my. I would have had my own setup here as well. I would have had my setup right on here, right on this scanner right over here. This scanner right over here would have been my setup as well. But hey man, it's all based on probabilities. All my setup this past 2 weeks and this past week and a half was all been London session. Last week no trades because all my setups were London session, right? And I had a loss 1 week last week because of I made a mistake on my setup, but I fixed it up. So yeah, even this week I had a loss, but now I fixed it up, so shouldn't be making the same mistake again and again. Gotta be wise and ambitious. I'm very happy with the yesterday loss. You know, that rule really now really helps me out even more because now I know to do not trade the day before that major high impact news, which are FOMC, NFP, CPI, or PPI. After the first major high impact news, which could be CPI, PPI, or any of that, right? After you took a sell right on this, right? Okay, I see. After this, all the CISD, yes, sir. Oh, MMSS. Okay, so that's MMSS right here. Okay. That's fire. I mean, if I would have taken myself for an hourly time frame alone, myself would have been older from here. This hourly CISD. This range is huge. This range from yesterday is huge. If you're a swing trader, trading the days that are like high impact news, that trading the day before high impact news wouldn't really affect you as much because you're in an hourly time frame, right? Because you're a swing trader. Right over here. So I took the yesterday. Sorry, I took the trade yesterday. Yes, sir. Ski man. Hey man, you gotta learn. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be wise and learn and not make the same mistake. Cause yesterday price action was horrible. Look at this. Oh my god. Our drone liquidity was correct. Okay, it was correct, but this price action, I'd rather not take a trade, you know what I'm saying? Fuck that shit. Let's see what's happening in the market. Market ain't doing much. So market just reversed right over here. Market doing a consolidation. Eventually, after consolidation ends, it could be any time here. But expansion. The skills are important, bro. Is the most important thing in the trading because time comes before price. Time comes before price, brother. Time is more important than price. You can see if you go to the if you're like how can I say this? If you're a swing trader, time before price is very important to you because you would know what time of the month should you be trading, what time of the months are bullish, what time of the months are bearish, looking at seasonal tendency, looking at quarterly shifts. You gotta look all of that, bro. And you could use that for a intraday trading, just to know which months are good, right? But time is way more important than price because let me tell you why. Right? Look at this. Look at the volume, right? Look at the volume of this day right over here. Look at the look at the chopping. Look at the consolidation. Look at right when London session open. Look at the movement that happened. Straight to the move. Straight to the to the shit. See you, bro. All right, brother. MD Timing, you said please tell me the time. The time kill zones are for London session is from 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. For New York is from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Past 11 a.m. is kind of bad, but if you have a setup sometimes that are performing during 11 a.m., you could take 11 a.m. And for Asian is shouldn't be trading Asian because it's a CBDR range and it's a bank deals range as well, which which you shouldn't be trading. The reason I say 3 to 4 a.m. at lunch session, because that's where the most highest probability of the setup does perform. Even yesterday, today, it wouldn't be the highest probability, but most of the time, high percent chance of it being from 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. offering you a better move, because usually at 2 a.m. you might have more losses. I'm going to wait for the news. Yes, sir. Skiar, brother. Hurry, brother. Hope you don't blow out your funded account, bro, or whatever account you have. Be careful, man. Just waiting for this to soup out the high, then we're looking for an entry here. What are you looking for in the market right now? What I'm looking for right now is either getting a soup, basically total souping the high of this hourly CRT, which is right over here, or total souping the 4-hour CRT. But I need the soup in the right time. The total soup should be happening during 9 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. right? But for my souping for learning session should be happening during from 1 a.m. or 3 a.m. right? So in this case, market soup out the high at 1 a.m. So that's why it's so important. That's why kill zones are very important, right? So after 10:30 a.m., if the market is not offering me any setups, I'm done for the day. I'm just gonna watch how the news goes, because now that saves me time. That saves me from that saves me from trying to constantly be in the market, look for setup that are not high probability to set up, right? Because from 9 to 9:30, from 9 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. are the highest probability of its total soup, right? If this low gets total soup, I'm not looking for a trade here. But right now, I'm looking for this, soup of the highs. Possibly, I want this high right over here to be holding, because this is learning session high of the day, right? So this high should be very important for us to keep hold of, right? But we could tap this key level, go back down, right? Tap this, this other key level, go back down. And my god, drawn liquidity is still down here from yesterday. My still drawn liquidity, the same drawn liquidity over here, right? I'm still trying to go down here. And for the range low, my drawn liquidity is over here. And for today's drawn liquidity, my first drawn liquidity, my main priority is over here. And overall, the high time frame drawn liquidity in the daily time frame, my drawn liquidity is over here, but the weekly is all the way down here. Explain total soup, please. Total soup basically means a soup of a high, so like a liquidity sweep. That's all that means. It's just a branding, you know what I'm saying? Branding owns the world, right? If you're wearing a shirt, you won't be. If you're wearing like a, let's say, Nike shirt or Nike shoes or a Jordans, right? You want to say I would you want to say I'm wearing you want to say I would be wearing a shoes, right? You would be saying that I'm wearing a Jordans, right? Like a branding. If you're wearing Nike, you want to say I'm wearing a just a slipper, right? You're saying I'm wearing Nikes, right? So look, it's just a branding name. So total soup, it's just a liquidity soup, liquidity purge, right? Basically taking out liquidity. That's all that means. It's just like a cooler way of saying. It's just a cooler way of damn, a cooler way of saying liquidity sweep, right? Liquidity sweep is not such a good word to say, so they say total soup to make it a little more, you know what I'm saying? Make them look a little bit more cooler, you know what I'm saying? It's such and such, you know what I'm saying? The same shit, you know what I mean? What's the minimum time frame I should be using? Or I can use, what do you mean by that, brother? You should be using 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, monthly, and 3 months, and 12 months as well. Not too much about 12 month, but sometimes in the higher time frame if you want to get a higher time frame narrative. But the main time frame should be focusing on for that intraday profiling. I mean intraday trading. 15-minute time frame, 5-minute time frame, hourly, and 4-hour and daily. Weekly should be a higher time frame bias. Daily should be a higher time frame bias, but 4-hour, 1 hour, and 15-minute and 5 minutes should be your always entering. You're entering out of the 15-minute time frame based on the time frame alignment, or 5-minute time frame based on the time frame alignment. Using hourly as a key level, using the 4 hours as a key level, right? And using the daily and the weekly as your time frame to look for a high time frame narrative and build, nature of that as well. And using the 4 hour to build up narrative to that John Luke and higher time frame that you built up on the daily and the weekly. But yeah. Oh, forgot one important thing, bro. Make sure you join the Discord. We got a giveaway right now. Make sure you join the Discord. I got a giveaway going right now. If you guys wanna join it up and and participate on the giveaway, go ahead, man. Free money. Free the money. Free money. We're just waiting. Today should be this is probably gonna be a ranging ass market until the news comes out. I mean, damn. Sam, what are you doing, bro? I hate FOMC conference being later in the day, bro. Being at what, 2:30? Bro, that's the gayest shit, bro. Shit, if he feels at 9 o'clock, 10, like 8:30, bro, it would have been fine. Fine, cuz, like, we could have been taking trades left and right. You know what I'm saying? You're. Swalla la la, swalla la la. You know what I found out, chat? I found that I'm a lonely ass motherfucker, man. Explain. Big picture, big nigga. And then, okay, so now market started moving now. Now we're chilling. Now we're talking about it. Big money, big money, money on that big money. Try how to make money. Just give me money. Big buy, big buy. Man, what's I think we use weekly, then 4 hours, then 15 minute. We're using 1 hour. I use the 4 hour time frame as well. You can see it went from a 4 hour as here out of here, or you can see it here, right? The 4 hour time frame as well. But you're right, man. You use weekly, then go to 4 hour, then go to 15 minute time frame. But why am I using 1 hour? Sometimes this is a neo continuation, right? Neo continuation sometimes may not go over here, right? Sometimes it might just not even go all over here, then just go back down, right? Without going to the 4 hour key level, 4 hour CRT, right? Sometimes you might do it, sometimes you're not. So that's why I'm trying to get an advanced entry back, go back down, right? To do neo continuation. In this case, you might go over here, hit tab this key level, but tab this, go all over here and support the 4 hour range high as well, but the 4 hour CRT high as well, right? But chances may not. But you're definitely correct, brother. But you gotta know. Sometimes you gotta know like way to use both of them, right? Sometimes I use 4 hours, sometimes I use 1 hour, right? Sometimes I use both. In this case, I'm using both, right? Because yesterday would have been a perfect example. Like, well, no, it was not yesterday. It was a couple of days ago. Let me see if I can get the example here for you. Do I have an example for you here? Where's my example? Where did my example go? Oh, not that one. This right over here. SMT, right? So market that now reaches to the 4 hour time frame. No, it's not this one. This right over here. Market that reaches to the 4 hour time frame by trace. They do SMT on the 5 minute in the hourly time frame. You see, and they reaches at 4 hour to the hourly time frame, and that hourly time frame is much different to the downside. But this was the day before the major news, which was CPI. So I would have not been trading that day. You can see, they didn't even offer me a setup. They did not offer me a setup during that time as well. So yeah, I didn't see a setup there as well. So yeah. But we did have a 4 hour key level just got tapped right here. A 4 hour key level got tapped. And the hourly time frame key level got tapped as well. Let's see what's good here. So that sometimes you might do it, sometimes you may not, right? So that's why we gotta be looking into this hourly time frame sometimes. But neither did GU tap out the 4 hour, just did the hourly time frame. GU took out the hourly, but not the 4 hour. So neither didn't take a 4 hour. You mean when the 4 hour time frame is not clear, use the hourly time frame? No. You use both. You gotta. So what I do is I look today. Look today when the first time if you go to my live stream, first the recording, right when I started off, I went to the weekly. See weekly IRL to ERL, weekly IRL to ERL. You can see bullish ERL. So the weekly time frame go from weekly IRL to ERL, weekly change to the downside. Then eventually I scaled down to the daily. And eventually look at the daily. Okay, we gotta have a daily CRT to the downside, daily key level to this CRT that helps this key level. We have a daily key level that helps this CRT, so it gives us more probability of that might work out in our favor. So daily key level to the downside, daily CRT to the downside. 4 hour. Then I eventually just go to the scale outside of 4 hour time frame. Then a 4 hour time frame I'm looking for. Okay, what's in a 4 hour time frame? Okay, we got a daily range. Okay, that's narrative 1. We got a range high that got souped, range narrative 2. Because range high, once the range high gets souped, we're the next journal is going to range low. Eventually, want to be selling it. We only want to be selling when the market soups at the range high. When the market soups at the range low, market soup at the range high. So we're green here. Other than that, what else do we have here? You can see it over here, right? We have we're in right now currently. You can see the market where market is right now. Market is currently premium, so it's a good time to sell right here, right? So another narrative, selling in premium, and we're sells, right? That's another bullish. That's another narrative for us. What's the next narrative? We're another narrative would have been we're already in a CRT, so our next joint liquidity would be here. So I'm going for these two of my joint liquidity. What's the next narrative? Okay. So none of them. There's no SMT, by the way, Chad. There's no SMT. The 5 a.m. and the 9 a.m. You can see from the 5 a.m. and 9 a.m. The 5 a.m. candle did not support the high. The 9 a.m. candle did not support the high as well, and each of it, right? But now eventually, now you can see the 8 a.m. candle, not the 5 a.m. candle. This, you see this candle, this 4 hour time frame did not support the high here yet. It probably will, but we don't know, right? So now I'll go to the hourly time frame, look for hourly entry to get an advanced entry to the downside, right? Because market might not trace all over here just to look for here, but market did tap a 4 hour key level. We can say a 4 rejection block did get tapped into, and there's no other key level. This order block does not feel liquidity, right? I mean, yeah, it does not feel liquidity, right? So would have not used that as our key level. So that's what the market retraces to the order block here. So I'm looking for a setup right here, right now. Let me go look let me get my money ready. Okay, at that range, so we have our CRT timing. So we go at the right time with the purge, which is at 950. We have the end of the CRT bullish bearish. There's an actual legitimate high at this hourly CRT. You can see right over here. At the end of the CRT, there's a legitimate high. So we're another thing it's called. So we got the legitimate high there. What's the next thing we gotta do? We have our daily hourly key level. Yes, we do. We have an hourly resistance block, and we have a 4 hour resistance block. The bullet got tapped. And what's the other requirement? CRT time of the pressure. We have all of the requirements. Now we're green. Now we have built our narrative. Already in the premium zone. We're in the premium area, so we're green even more. We have about a minute until this candle closure. So however this candle closes, I'm looking for a setup here. So if this candle does close below the body, but not the whole candle, I'm not looking for no trades here. But if this trade does offer me less than 2 hour, I'm not taking it, right? Okay, it does not offer me a 2 RR here. Yikes. Yeah, I'm not taking this. It does not offer me a 2 RR. Fortunate. When the market tap your key level, how do you get into trades? I'll look into CRT to look to get in trades, right? So CRT is my way of trade, right? So basically ranges. So I get in the range high, I sell in the range low, right? I buy in the range low, I sell in the range high, right? Same thing like that, right? Where I have an efficient entry where I don't enter in a I don't enter in an environment where there's no ranges, right? So I can only enter out of ranges. And the 5 minute time frame, you can see we're in a specific range. So using time frame alignment and the hourly time frame, there's a timed range. Time is important, by the way. So time is how I said time is more important than price. 8 a.m. candle is usually a important candle, right? So time range, and as you can see, we're in a 5 minute time frame using a time frame alignment. If you're using an hourly key level, CRT, whatever, you're gonna scale into the 5 minute for your for your entry. So what I mean by I get in a specific efficient entry is because when I enter out of a random 4 hour key level, or when I enter out of 4 hour, not even random key level, right? If I enter out of a 4 hour order block or fair value gap, right? But that fair value gap does not have a range in it. It's not a range. That entry usually will fuck off. You will be like, it will not work in my favor. I would have way more losses because that 4 hour fair value gap does not have a range. Because what does the range mean? You want to sell in the range high, want to buy in the range low, right? Simple as that. And you want to buy in the range low, sell in the range high. Because market is all about ranges, brother. After ranges, market escapes the range, makes a new range, escapes the range, purchase one side of the range, or does a double purge, purchase both of the purges, purchase both side of the range, eventually making an actual move out of that. But this setup I'm not taking because it offers me less than 2 RR here, so I will not be taking this setup here. If we define the ranges on the current market, current ranges we are in, we're in this specific range right over here. You can see range high, range low. We're in the market is playing inside the specific range, right? I don't care about this ranges because market. What I'm looking at is to me, right? Because you can never mark out an actual legitimate a range. So whatever you like it, if you feel like this is a range, to me this is a range, right? We're in this specific range right over here. This one, yes, we are in this range, but this is more defined of it than that. And eventually other ones are like specific time range. But I'm gonna talk about later about just talk about when you have questions, right? Just let me know after the training session because I'm looking for a setup right now, right? So after this setup ends, tell me after it ends because I'm trying to take a trade, right? So I don't waste my trade. But if you have just put the question down, I will answer it after my training session. But if the scanner does not get purged out during the specific time, which is the next 30 minutes, I'll not be looking for a trade. So let's see if this high could get purged here. You can see how the market purged out the range high and closed right back inside, right? That means this range is getting respected then rather than getting respected, right? Well below, I can't take it, chat. Not taking it. Offers less than 2 RR. Offers me less than 2 RR. 2 RR. 2 RR. I can't take it. No. The offers me less than 2 RR. You can see it perfectly entering eventually. Fantastic. Boom. Glad. done for the day. Because my setup already there. Bro, how was the day? Man, fantastic, brother. How about yours, man? I can't even take this trade. I can't take it because he offers missing 2RR. Look at the RR on this boy. Not 2RR. It's not 2RR. I'm not taking it. As if it's not 2RR, I'm not taking it. %1 gain, yes, Sirski. 1% gain. Hey, wanna get the high RR, man. 1% gain is kinda. I'm saying, you can look at this right here. This offers me 1% gain. I won't even take it because I don't like 1%. I like 2% or 3% or 4%. Anything above 2%, I like it. No 2%, I no like. I don't take this shit because this chat. You guys gotta know with this thing right here, this trade right here, I won't be making no money from this. Me having my even if I extend my take profit to here, I won't be making enough. This is still not 2RR, right? I won't be making enough to actually make profit out of this, right? So I won't be taking it because the commissions, all these stuff I gotta pay, they take a half. So if I'm this is 1RR, right? Market would take. I'll be left off with a 0.80% gain rather than a whole 1% gain. Hell no. My man, you might want to give me a 2RR, man. I ain't trying to do all that. This is why I'm not taking this. Because the other reason I don't take a trade that offers me less than 2RR, I see this trade as a low probability trade because the reason I see this low the reason I see this trade as a low probability, that means it might have a higher chance of going to a sell stop, is because the RR, right? The RR is not a 2RR or more, right? So I'm not taking it because they offer me less than 2RR, right? So to me, I consider it a lower probability. The one I consider the higher probability, the one that offers me a 2RR or more. Yesterday was a high probability to me, right? But guess what? The high probability was a mistake because yesterday should not have been a trading day because yesterday was a markets what do we call it, market gathering liquidity for today's news, right? So today should be used for yesterday should have been used for the market to do false breakouts, trap traders, right? So from now on, I improved from that. I'm happy from yesterday's trade. I'm satisfied. I improved, right? That's all I could say. Please explain CRT. I will explain it after I end yesterday's after I end the stream, which not after I end the stream, after the trading session, which I'm still in 30 minutes. I'll answer that question for you, brother. Manipulation, yeah, man. Yesterday should have definitely, yeah. So I learned from it, man, which is great, man. I'll pay anything for a lesson. I'm saying for a skill. Now I know. Now I got a day off. Now I don't have to trade the day before a high impact news. All I gotta do is just chill and watch the market and save and preserve my capital rather than spending it and losing my capital rather than doing that. Rather than doing a hit or miss. I don't do hit or miss, right? I just I want to have my hit higher than my miss, right? So this is what I want to focus on. And this setup right here, it might deliver, it might not deliver, right? Whatever it does, it might not do it, right? It might deliver, it might not deliver. I don't care because you're offering me 2RR. And this is a good type of a entry here as well because look, you're selling above the opening price. So anything above here, anything above this opening price right over here is a good spot to sell. So anything above this area right over here is a good spot to sell, which is right over here. It's a good area to sell. Yes. So the open high low clause concept as well here. Okay. Cause I gotta get used to using more open high low close concept. This is powerful. The reason the open high low close is powerful because you can get high probability setups when you're in a open high low close concept or open low high close concept. Helps you get into a better position. It helps you avoid less probability trades, right? Because if you're selling, right, you want to be selling above the opening price of the 4-hour time frame, right? Because that's your intraday trader. If you're buying, you want to buy that below the 4-hour time frame. For buying below the 4-hour time frame open. Well, let's see how the market goes here. I'm not looking for another setup because I'm done for the day. But I'm still gonna wait till 10:30 just to do an extra catch up, extra time to make sure if I'm supposed to be looking for setups or not. This money right here, you ain't making shit if you're taking a trade. Even if this does hit TP, you're not gonna make shit from this. You posted a bias video. According to this video, weekly bias should be up. Weekly, no, it should be down, by the way, brother. I said high at the long-term drawn liquidity, long-term. Because this is what I mean, right? Long-term, I'm bullish, right? Long-term from here, I'm going over here. No, you said that was not a weekly, by the way. That was monthly, by the way. Monthly, that's monthly. Monthly time frame right over here, we're bullish. We were trying to go over here, right? But market needs to do a short-term drawn liquidity before a high long-term drawn liquidity, right? So for a short-term drawn liquidity, market is going over here because weekly wants to go down, right? So if weekly wants to go down, this low right over here is our monthly short-term drawn liquidity. Our long-term drawn liquidity is over here. There's a difference between a short-term and a long-term because market can't just go to the drawn liquidity. Market needs to go through phases. Market needs to go through, market needs to go through stuff before it can go hit the long-term drawn liquidity, right? Because it wouldn't make sense for the market just to go straight to the drawn liquidity. That would make trading ways too easy, right? There would be no point of trading. Everybody would have been making money, then eventually the whole industry would have collapsed because everybody could make money. There's gonna be no liquidity in the market. But yeah, weekly I'm always bearish. I've been bearish for the past 30 weeks, bro. Yeah. No, oh wait, I think you're looking at the wrong bias video because I was definitely bullish. I was bullish to this high. I was bullish from this low all the way to this high right over here. I was bullish. Then you're looking at the wrong video, brother. But for the past 3 weeks, this week I've been bearish, this week I've been bearish, this week I've been bearish, right? Looking for all this selling opportunity. There shouldn't be any consolidation around here because market just took out the high. You stop trading gold. Yes, sir, ski man. Fuck gold. I mean, no, I don't. It's not that I don't like gold. It's just that my thing, the timing on gold, which is 248. No, 24. What was it? 2610, right? I don't trade. I don't like that time. I like 159 because it matches my time of me trading, right? Which is EU offers me that. It says 159. It offers me that time, which I like. But I do like gold, but I ain't trading that shit. I want to be a specialist. I want to be a one pair specialist. I want to be trading one pair because, you know what I'm saying, so I can know the ins out of the pair. But if we do see a candle closure below this low right over here, we should get a rip down here. You trade in red folder news days, bro. I love news days, bro. News days is look at this. Yesterday, no news, right? Look at the market yesterday. No news. What did the market do? Ass. Today, after 9 a.m., market's a great ass market time to trade. Look at no news. Look at the practices clear, right? Not no fucking ranging in and out, right? So it's way cleaner, bro. but I do like to trade during the news net. Like people would say, trading right now wouldn't be a good time. For me, it's a good time because right now the manipulation's already ended, right? Because manipulation would be yesterday. I don't like to trade the day before the big major news, which is FOMC, NFP, CPI, PPI. The day before, I don't like to trade it, but the day during it, I like to trade it. But the day before, I don't, because that's the bad price action day, which I don't like. Which is the market is now moving clear. Market is manipulating people to make, make money, right? And which yesterday I got caught onto, man. Yesterday I got caught and I lost, right? But my journal still got met, but got caught. He caught me lacking. But hey, I learned though. I learned it. I'm very happy. Not very happy. I'm not trying to say. I'm not trying to express our emotion. I'm very satisfied. Actually, I've improved. I have improved in my arsenal. You know what I'm saying? My arsenal is constantly getting stronger and stronger and stronger and stronger, left and right. Every losses I use. So every loss the past couple of weeks, every loss I had, I've been using it. Every loss I have recently been having, I've been always using it as a lesson. Always using it as a way to improve. Even my wins as well, right? This trade, I'm not taking it because it offers me 2RR. If it does not offer me 2RR, I'm not taking it. But yeah, man, we currently have a giveaway in our Discord channel. If you guys want to join it up. But yeah, whoever wants to join, whoever wants to participate with a $50 giveaway, only one person winner. If you're not gonna win, if you're not one person, if you're not a whatever the fuck you are, bro. I know. This is such a big stop loss as well. Look at the stop loss, bro. If the market does tend to go back up here, bro, you're gonna be drawn on for a long ass time. Damn. But our market profiling is going like okay. So market open, accumulation, expansion, retracement, expansion, another. And eventually retracement, consolidation, eventually manipulation, expansion, retracement, expansion, reversal. Tapping another reversal here. Yeah, another reversal, retracement, expansion. Tapping another key level, another reversal here, retracement, expansion. Right, tapping this key level, retracement, another expansion again. Tapping another key level, sweeping out a low. Eventually the market did a what? A reversal. Right, if you this all move up is a reversal, retracement, expansion, tapping another key level, which is what? This 4-hour fair value gap, not 4-hour fair value gap, 4-hour key level, which is 4-hour rejection block. Eventually looking for a reversal right back to the downside. This is the low probably trade. It does look very clean because it's news day, right? So trade market should be moving fine here right now because it's news day, right? But yeah, I ain't taking this shit. Yesterday you told me, what's up, brother? What you told me yesterday? Oh, you told me that the shorting should be a bad move. Yeah, you're correct because I myself, I did not know that day before a high impact news was supposed to be a bad day, and I never knew that because I never had a problem. Eventually, hey, I had to find out, man. But to whoever, one thing I gotta say to you guys, if you did not read my community notes, right, is whoever has opinions to the trades. If you have an opinion to any trade, right? Let's just say I'm taking a long or short, or anybody, right? Any individual, right? Don't say, you should have not taken it, or should have taken it because you might mess up with the psychology. It doesn't mess up my psychology, but I don't want to get in an environment where you might, you know what I'm saying? But yeah. Because, psychology is like what I gotta say is that words are very powerful, right? If you're speaking, but your words are not your words are just saying some random shit. Like, how can I say this? Your words are very powerful, right? Because as you guys know, sound is the most powerful thing in life, right? Sound is the most powerful thing. Sound is stronger than anything in life. Sound is stronger than them, right? Because how can I say it? Sound? If you just do your research, right, you will know that sound is the most powerful thing, right? You can see why. When you listen to music, the sound gets into your emotion, makes you feel a certain way. So if you listen to a hype music, you're gonna be more, you're gonna be more pumped up, right? If you're listen to sad music, you're gonna be more sad, right? which that's what I'm talking about. Sound is the most powerful thing, and that's why in some religions in Islam, listen to music is like is considered haram because that's the feeling that gets when it gets to your feeling, that means there's a like shaitan or like the jinn, whatever, right? Satan or is getting into you because your emotions are popping up. You're feeling sad because of this emotion. You're thinking negative. Because let's just say let's just say a sad song, right? You're thinking negative because of the sad song because now you're thinking about the girlfriend you have or whatever. Right? You have a boyfriend, your girlfriend, right? You're taking negative, like, oh, I should have not done that, right? You have negative thoughts, negative emotions. You have been feeling sad, right? So which mess up with your emotions, which shouldn't be it. It should have been should be a normal thing, right, for a human. Are you from Islam? I'm not from Islam. I'm a Muslim, brother. Yeah, man. Alhamdulillah, brother. I don't have no problem with anybody that has a different religion. It's whatever religion you have, man. It's whatever because you're independent, right? I won't say, oh, why are you Christian? Why are you, this other religion? Why are you Jew? I mean, it's whatever you choose, bro. You know what I'm saying? But my goal is just to spread good. My goal is just to spread goodness in the life. My spread is to spread goodwill. So that's why it's very important that sound. Even when somebody, let's just say, if you're a person who yaps a lot, your talking will stop being a. So when I talk about yapping, I don't mean like chat. That's not yapping because you're asking a question, right? That's not yapping, right? If you're a person who yaps a lot regularly, like where you just go to talk to anybody, right? Talk about some random ass fucking topic. Let's just say a football game that happened, or any game that happened, a soccer game that happened, right? Yapping like for a topic that's not a useful topic that will not help you improve in life. If I'm talking to you guys about a random ass topic that's not benefiting you, MD taming, when I say some words to you, it's better for you because saying you're asking a question and I'm answering it, right? Try to help you improve in your life, right? Improve your trading arsenal, right? Getting you better. You know what I'm saying? Improving rather than me yapping about some fucking topic that won't even help you. That's what sound matters the most. If a person who yaps a lot, people are just gonna ignore you. But if a person who doesn't yap, sometimes your words might affect somebody else's feelings, right? So if you talk about something negative, it might affect their feelings. If you talk about something positive, it might affect their feelings. You know what I'm saying? If you're from Islam, then you my brother. Yes, sir. Ski. Everybody's my brother, man. I love everybody. This is why I don't like to like hang out a lot because my friends talk about some useless that topic. What the fuck am I gonna do with the topic? Because I'm here for a little bit of time. I'm not gonna be here for a fucking I'm not gonna be here for infinite time, right? I'm either gonna go to hell or heaven, right? So I need to spend my lifetime in here where I'm at right now, worshiping God, doing stuff that will benefit me in life because time runs out fast, bro. Cause I'm trying to be a person who will be known for the rest of the remaining time, rest of the history. You know what I'm saying? Be in the history books. So let's see what's popping here though. Market is looking like it's not trying to do anything here. What time is it right now? Okay, well, okay, nothing, no transfer to take. Okay. But yeah, so my boy MD Taming, we're talking about explain CRT. CRT is just like it's accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. So every candle is so one candle is accumulation, one other candle is a manipulation, other candle is a expansion, right? So you'll be working like this, right? It'll be this candle right over here. This candle right here is accumulation. Market and you see lower time frame. The net Pacific range market ranged a lot, right? It didn't do much work. It just ranged. This candle is a manipulation. This candle soups out the high or the low. If you're bearish, you want the high to get souped. If you're bullish, you want the low to get souped, right? But if the opposite side of the CRT gets purged, that goes against your bias, don't trade that because that's now going against you, right? So this candle is considered to be a manipulation. You can see 955. Right over here, manipulation candle ended. So and the manipulation candle closed inside the range. So if it wants to close inside the range, it makes the probability of the word setup working out higher, right? So right when it closed, the range closed, what the market do? Now this candle is kind of, you can see it's kind of expanding, right? It's expanded down to the downside. It hasn't met its drone liquidity, which is down here. But if you focus on the process, if you just stop trying to be very egotistic and trying to say, well, why it's not going down, right? The concept doesn't work if they focus on the process, because you never know. This might take a whole day to hit TP, right? It might take the next 3 hours to hit TP, because after accumulation, manipulation, after this candle ends, every other candle is an expansion. This candle is expansion, next candle is expansion, next candle is expansion. But every candle will decide to go closer and closer to the drawn liquidity, which is over here. And as CRT helps you with what's next in the market, CRT helps you with MMXM, gives a meaning to MMXM. CRT gives you a narrative. CRT gives you a logical meaning to the market. CRT gives you a bias. CRT gives you a what's next in the market and a drawn liquidity, right? Simple as that. You know what I'm saying? It's nothing special, but it's a very good concept. The reason I stopped using unicorn model and all these other all of these other models is because the only problem I had, my everything was fine, right? The only problem I had was my entry. I was like, okay, I have this daily order block, right? Daily key level, right? Let's just say fair value gap. Scale it out, hourly time frame. He tapped it, right? I got hourly CISD, hourly MSS, right? I go to the 5 minute once he taps it. Once he goes back up and taps it, right? I'm okay. I'm looking for entry. My 5 minute time from entry will always get stop loss, right? I was like, okay, why are you doing this, right? And I constantly found out that my entries are less efficient, because every time when I saw myself trading in the range, because I don't think I've never talked about it, right? But every time in my emotions, I felt okay. In my thinking, I said, okay, oh, every time the market taps the range, swoops at the range high or range low, which basically is CRT. Ranging is CRT, right? Range high, range low, CRT, range dynamic, CRT, right? But in CRT, it's different, right? CRT is more improved. CRT is like a ICT, but more improved. CRT uses the ICT concept. CRT ranges are ICT concept, right? CRT is an ICT concept, but it's not from the from ICT, but it's improved by one of his students, which is a student that is well known in the industry. And every look, you see this order block, this resistance block right over here. You see this all resistance block, ICT, right? For CRT, you're gonna need ICT concepts. Without ICT concepts, CRT won't work as well, because now then you're pattern trading, because ICT gives you a logic, right? ICT helps you with building a narrative. Why? Daily range, ICT, ranges, ICT, basket liquidity, basket liquidity, CRT, right? Order block, CRT, ICT, I mean, rejection block, ICT, fair value, ICT, right? Everything is ICT. So without this, because ICT gives you a narrative, ICT helps you build a narrative to your setup, right? Instead of just taking a. So if I would have pattern trade, I would have taken a lot of losses, because it's pattern trading, right? And CRT with ICT helps you with building a narrative and logical reasoning to every move. Then CRT helps you get efficient entries, which the entries are highest probability of if it working out, right? Rather than taking a random entry and eventually getting stop loss, right? You can see, well, look what the market do. This was a really efficient entry. You can see markets at the model number 1. Guess what the market do right after, right? So this is why it's very important. The only reason I'm using CRT is because of efficient entry, and because everybody knows entries are the most important thing in trading. Entries and sell stops and take profits. And what does CRT give you? Efficient entries which there's four types of entry you can do. A model number one, which should be the only time you should know. It should be the only one you're entering, because everything else offers you a less RR slash its ass. That's all I'm gonna say. But CRT helps you, gives you a efficient entry. So a entry that's like, that's known to be working, right? Which is the CISD, this counter right over here. CISD. You see right when you tapped it out, reaction out of it, right? And it gives you a efficient take profit. It gives you a take profit as efficient. And in CRT, you can't be taking trades that offer you less than 1 RR. You can't be taking trades that offer you less than 2 RR right here, right? You can see this trade. I'm not taking this trade because this trade offers me 1.2 RR, right? I can't take it. I have to get a trade that offers me a 2 RR or above, 3 RR or above. Anything below that, I can't take it, because this range will be considered as a low probability range, because it doesn't have a good amount of RR into this range, right? So I would be taking it. And yeah, that's that. And it gives you efficient take profit, efficient draw on liquidity. So what does take profit mean, chat? Take profit means a draw on liquidity, where the market will go, right? So that's what draw on liquidity means. That's why it gives you efficient take profit. So efficient draw on liquidity. So how they say it? You buy high, no, you sell high, you buy low. You sell high, you buy low, right? You sell low, you buy low, you sell high. But you want to buy here because you're selling over here, right? Because you're selling, right? That's why it matters the most, right? That's why it matters that much, right? So it gives you efficient draw on liquidity, which is you sell the range low, you set the range high, you buy the range low. There's range high, range low, range high, right? And eventually you're in a bigger range, right? You can see the 4 hour time frame in a bigger range. So another range low you could sell to, you could hold it eventually to right over here, right? To another range low, right? So yeah, shit like that. And it gives you efficient sell stop. The sell stop is always gonna be here. There's never gonna be a sell stop that you're gonna have a random sell stop. You're always gonna have a sell stop that's efficient, which is this right over here. The market will not go above this. I mean, it could definitely go above this, right? Is it in a market or whatever? Because this right here is considered a lower probability because of the less amount of RR, right? So you can see right over here, you could definitely hit sell stop, but guess what? Look, it's still holding a lot, real strong here. You would have been up what, almost 1 RR here. 0.95 ticks. Every concept works, but the RR matters the most. Risk to ratio and win rate. If you have a 30% win rate, but you have a 3 RR, you're profitable, right? You might say, well, you haven't showed, you prove that you're profitable, but long term you are, right? And why would a person? Nobody's obligated to show you guys anything, right? I'm not obligated to show you anything. You're not obligated to show me anything, right? Like, why would you want to show some people that are? I mean, you guys are not strangers, right? Because I've seen you guys come from this beginning, right? But more people like, oh, some like, would you give a stranger your bank account details? No, right? Like, oh, that's how much money I have. Oh, you want to rob my ass? Come on, hey, you can rob me. I just showed you a $100,000 bank account. Oh, you want to rob me? I'm saying this like that's like saying, oh, you want to rob me? You know, saying you're free to rob me. You know what I'm saying? But that's what I mean. That's what I mean. That you're not obligated to show anybody anything. And if you're like, oh, you gotta show me something, bro, you're not making it out in trading. You're never gonna make it out. The reason you're never gonna make it out, you're greedy. You want to see money. And the biggest problem with trading is money. Every single problem you have around money. What happened yesterday? We took a trade, we took a loss, which the day yesterday should not have been a trading day because it's the day before a high impact news. So I was greedy. I wanted money. Guess what? Lost, right? So I made a mistake. So I did learn, but I did not know that time. I did definitely learn, but you see what I'm talking about, right? Everything revolves around money. If I would have not followed my rules, I would have taken a trade. If I would have not followed my rules and not taking if I would have not followed my rules, right? My rule says 2 RR and above, right? That's called for me less than 1 RR, right? Less than 2 RR, right? If I'm taking a trade, I'm breaking my rules. So that means I'm greedy. I want money, right? I had a loss yesterday, so I'm like, oh, I lost yesterday. Let me try to recover this from this trade, right? No, it doesn't work like that. Can't be greedy, man. I gotta focus on making habits. Cause you guys feel me, chat? Cause some traders like this, there would have been break even on the trade. There would have never been a. They would have never. If I was like, getting in trade up, if I was having this greed problem, I would have probably been break even already. I would have probably been break even because I can't follow my rules because I'm greedy, right? Because I want money. I don't want to lose, right? So that is what you don't want to be doing. So that's why here in us, we use psychology a lot. That's why this is so important. But if you guys got any other questions here, any other things you want to talk about, we can answer it up. But yeah, just want to get that out to you guys. I want everybody to win, man. I want you guys to win. I don't want you guys to lose, man. I don't want to see myself lose. I don't want to see you guys lose. You know what I'm saying? Cause I've been through it, but I have lost fucking thousands of dollars in courses. I've lost thousands of dollars in trading. I've lost thousands of dollars in crypto. I've lost a fucking heck ton. But I've also made money, right? I've also lost money. And that losing money, bro, the pain, the suffering was not it. I would like, I wouldn't feel too good as my to my winners, but I would feel like fucking hard in my losers, right? Because my winners, right? I wouldn't feel too good because I lost so much, right? I'm like, oh, this is not that much, right? But that's bad, right? That's bad. That's like that's like a mindset of failing, right? So eventually I got out that mindset. Eventually, like, okay, even the win I got, it's a good win. Eventually, I changed my RR, made more money in crypto, man. Everything right. Everything went right back in track. Right now, I'm profitable on crypto as well. But yeah, because I recently bought. Not recently, I bought it when it first fucking came out. I bought, you guys know Hyper Liquid. Yeah, you just gotta chat. If you guys know about it, go search it up right now, bro. Hyper Liquid. Let me show you real quick, man. I'm not gonna show you guys my entry, but because it's not your damn fucking business. Where's Hyper Liquid? It did drop down a lot, but I cashed out, bro. I'm not fucking keeping this shit. I cashed out at, I think at 20. I think I cashed out at 3x. Yeah, so I think I got somewhere in around like $7 or $8, and I got out at 3x. The reason I didn't hold because, man, I was like, bro, I made enough money. I don't want to be here because I think I had a FOMO problem. I just wanted to get to make money back, right? So which is not a good thing. How can I fucking go back in a daily chart? Yo, can see this right? 7-day chart. This is 7-day chart. Okay, this is where I open. Let me show you because I'm done for trading. Let me show you. What the fuck do I show you guys over here? I bought the first fucking day it came out. This is the first day it came out. It came out at, where did it come out at? Right over here, right? I bought around $7 the first day it came out. How can I go to the hourly time frame? I think we use Trading View. Actually, yeah, let me go use Trading View. Trading View would be better because I think Trading View has it too. Okay, let me use Trading View real quick. Let me use Trading View. Right over here. Let me see. Hyper Liquid. This right over here. Oh my god, fantastic. I bought the first couple hours when it came out, bro. Boom. 3x that bitch. This right over here, I hate this because right when it came out, people, I tried to snipe in. Right? But right when I'd use a bot to get in, right? Because the market was just moving so fucking fast. And I couldn't catch it, right? You can see market was moving hella fast. 1 minute time from push stop for the $2, bro. These are sniper bots, by the way. A ball snipes it from here to here. Guess out. Got it right when the market opened. Bought that bitch. And this is, I'm pretty sure this is not the actual price, by the way. The actual price was at $6, $7. It was not at 13. This is the, what it called. This is when the KuCoin got it, and what the fuck, when KuCoin accepted it, right? So when I got it, I got it from Hyperliquid coin itself, right? From the, his own fucking trading style, whatever that shit is called. Cause this right over here is not it. Cause the market opened right below. This KuCoin shows the data where it got the coin into its own market, right? So it's showing its own data, right? So yeah, shit like that. I tried to snipe in, bro. Right when I sniped in, bro, the price was at $7. Boom, I got in at 7. I was okay. That's cool. At 3x, like, I'm out, because I think I had a FOMO problem. Like, okay, I don't want to keep on holding this. I don't want to be building bad habits, right? So I got a 3x. I had an opportunity to make money, right? An opportunity. I learned something for the opportunity. Hey, what did I learn? I learned that. Wait, let me go back and fucking the chart. What did I learn? I learned to research more. I improved my researching, right? That's what I fucking learned. And guess what? I did my research and I learned, and I made an opportunity to make money. I had an opportunity to make money on this shit. I didn't make that much, by the way. I only made 3x, like fucking couple thousand. I think I put 1,200 and I made like fucking 3,500, something like that. 3,600, something like that. Somewhere like that. Somewhere around there. But damn, these sniper bots are crazy, bro. I'm using a Telegram sniper bot, bro. I think for a sniper bot, you want to have a computer to trade with, because your phone is so laggy, so buggy, bro. The next thing you know, boom, TP. I'm like, what the fuck? Cause crypto moves fast. Crypto moves fucking fast. No. All right, chat. I think I'm gonna call it a day. There's no setup outside, no setup here. Let me go make more recording here. This is my market recap of 12/18/2024. No trade token. And I did have a setup, but this setup offered me to 2RR, so I did not take it. But let's go over and talk about it. And why was I looking for sales and everything like that, right? In a weekly time frame, we go for weekly IRL to EURL, right? Weekly IRL to EURL, daily, weekly CRT to the downside, daily CRT to the downside as well. You can see daily CRT, the downside, daily key level, supporting the CRT. And we have a 4-hour time frame daily range, so building narrative as well here. 4-hour daily range. And our selling price with that was a premium, right? So which is a good spot to sell, right? Premium discount right here. Range high got soup, so the good time to sell. Range low has not been souped yet, so it's a good time to sell still. And when this other CRT was here, from yesterday's CRT, was still the same CRT. So I'm still looking for going here, but my setup offered me less 2 hours, so I didn't take it. So our entry was at the hour time frame, not the 4-hour, because we're looking for near continuation. Another thing I had by my narrative, I was looking for a near continuation. So I was looking for this how to get protected, and I was looking for near to continue, because for near continuation, there's only 2 outcomes: a reversal or near continuation. There's no other outcomes, right? There's no other outcomes. If I'm bearish and then I made the high of the day, so it's becoming a no potential profile. I would more near continue, right? So that would have been correct, right? Market support that range high. The hourly time frame. On the 5-minute, I had my entry here. Right when I had my entry, offered me to 2RR, you can see the order like support that's tapping to this high, tapped the 4-hour key level as well. So we had built extra confidence in this. Pulled below it, tapped it, very way to the downside, right? It's currently just probably gonna hit TP right now, but this setup offering me to 2RR. My initial take profit is right over here, right? My extended take profit is over here, and it's even the extended take profit is not offering me to 2RR, so I'm not taking it. You can see right now you might hit take profit here. So yeah, other than that, this is my market recap. What did I learn from today? I didn't learn nothing. I just preserve my capital and just hit TP right now. You might hit this as well because my extended take profit is right over here, right? So I'm now I would have been at break even, be chilling with a profit here, but this right here, I'm not taking any trades less than 2 RR. It is to me considered lower probability because offering less than 2 RR, I'm not taking it. And my second take profit, which is right over here, is other CRT low. And my final take profit is all this. I'm not going over here because it's too far away, right? I can reach that right now. But yeah, take profit got smashed, which is right over here. We're chilling, but they didn't take it because they're from the 2R. Some people will take it. I'm not taking it because I'm not breaking my rules, right? I'm building good habits. I'm satisfied with today because I followed my rules, built good habits, and I showed up. And see you guys later. Thank you for watching to the Discord. If you want to, if you don't want to, fuck you. But yeah, peace out. I'm having a problem with Discord link. Can you please send me via invite via email? Yes, let me send me let me know your email, brother. I'll send it to you right now. I think you did join because I saw I saw a name that was named Tahir. Let me know. Give me your thing. I'll send it right now, brother. Gmail.com. Let me see if I get it right here. I send it to somebody. And send somebody. Type down your email. I'll send it to you, brother. What do I send it to somebody, bro? Fresh. Okay, from to. So let me know your thing. I was just send it to you, brother. As the word doesn't have, what do you fucking mean? Oh, I'm looking for my own thing, bro. What the fuck? Compose, okay. Son of a bitch. Work. Let me know your name and email down below. I'll send it to you, brother. No worries. No worries. No worries. No worries. And if you don't get it, I was just saying the Discord one more time, just sort of here. I gotta go right now. I gotta go to somewhere. I'll chat. I'll see you guys later. But I have to leave to my appointment I have, which fucking requires me to fucking do something, man. Fuck this requirement, man. Fuck these appointments, man. Fuck that, man. Fuck. I'll see you, chat. I'll see you guys later. Holy shit! What the fuck? What the fuck just happened to the bike? Always hate. Always hate. Always hate. Always hate. Yo, see this, channel. Y'all see this. I didn't even see this market, bro, but it's crazy. Y'all see this, though, yeah? Y'all see this, though. Range high, range low. Range low, does range look good or like? I'm saying. Hey, listen. Hey, that to me right there is progression. Shit. I like that as progression, man. All the fuck, man. You know, fuck myself. Hey, when I was a kid, bro, when I was in my other country, bro. Yeah, chat, it would be funny as hell, right? My brother would be making a expression like, you know, when I was to get in trouble, right? He used to make an expression when I used to like when I used to be in trouble with my mom, he used to catch me this. He smacked the fuck out of me. Does you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Wow, it was not a funny joke. Okay. You're fired. Kamala Harris, you're fired, motherfucker. What the fuck? She clean. Oh no, that's the gay shit I've done. My bad. I apologize. Astaghfirullah. May Allah guide me. I mean. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد لم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. I'm done for, man. Astaghfirullah. Alright, chat. See you guys later. TP hit. Alright, when I do my take profit, right? I don't hold it to the range low, by the way, because I only do CRT take profits. If not CRT, I'm not taking it. I'm not taking it. Oh, I gotta take a shit. Alright. I just shit myself. Oh my god. Alright, chat. I'll see you guys later. Peace out, man. I thought I just shit myself. Oh my goodness, bro. Alright. I have no